Welcome back to the Adventures with the Average Joe, and I'm Joe. Today I'm cooking dinner, and I'm cooking chicken thighs. These were 45 baht marked down to 34, and this one was 35 baht marked down to 27. I got some garlic for 10 baht, mini red onions for 10 baht, breading for 15 baht, and this breading's pretty cool. It's fried banana flour. Never had it before. Mixed vegetables, I got broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, and 2 different types of mushrooms. Pretty nice. I paid 20 baht. I got some really nice tomatoes for 20 baht. And some of them even got some green on it. I like it like that. But that's pretty much what I'm cooking today. I guess the only thing there is to do is get busy. Alright. So, let's do this. It is a warm one. Brown eggs, my favorite. In America, we get a lot of white eggs. I prefer these brown eggs over here. And the cool thing about Thailand, you don't need to refrigerate them. All right, let's get a little bit of that. Whisk. Get that egg going. Alright, now, over the fire, let's get that oil heated up. Knife. What's that? Yeah, with that one, yeah. And get some egg wash on there. Get it in the flour. Get it in the flour. Egg wash. I'm doing like a double dip on them. I don't want to put too thick of a coating on, just a nice decent layer. Oh wow, I accidentally got 2 different pieces of meat. I guess I'm going to have to do this one like this. Oh well, not a big deal. I know, I accidentally put too much. Oh well, not a big deal. Excuse me. Alright. Get a little more oil in here since. What? It'll work out. have breakfast in tomorrow. That's going to need a clip. I wish we had a pair of tongs with rubber ends on it for these pans. Don't want to grip. There we go. That breading don't want to stay on too good. I think that's better for deep frying breading where you're not shaking, but it looks yummy. Oh, did you put that away for me? Thank you.
Oh my God.
Will you let me cook? I'm American. Use oil, man. All right.
What? You added more?
No. Oh, these are red garlics. Okay. A little bit of margarine just for flavor. A little bit of hot sauce. I don't know where the glass lid went. Oh well. I think this is gonna come out pretty good. Man, is that looking nice? Man, this is taking forever. I'm about to throw it in that. You know what? I ain't gonna do it. I'll just leave it. And the finished product. It's a little bit darker, crisp than I expected, but when I put the hot sauce on there, it made it burn a little bit. But the wife and I like a little bit of crisp, a little bit of darkness. So it's not too big of a deal, but next time I know, don't put the hot sauce on until after it's done. But let's see how it is. I'm gonna use disposable fork real quick, try it out. Veggies are good. Yeah, that's real good. I'm satisfied with this for sure. But until next time, everybody, like, subscribe, leave a comment, hit the notification, send me a thanks. If not, I still appreciate your help, appreciate your views. Goodbye. Have yourself a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. Till next time, have a great day.